Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and make this tote bag. I'm gonna make this for one of my kids for Halloween, and this is where they're gonna put their candy in. And this is Creeping It Real. I thought that was so funny. This is for my older son. I'm gonna add that saying right in the middle of the bag, and I'm gonna also add some spiders. I thought that was really cute, and some bats. So I don't know how many bats I'm going to add, but he said he wanted a ton of bats. So that's what we're going to add to this bag. I actually asked them what they wanted their bag for Halloween to be, and that's what he wanted. A ton of bats. And I love this cute saying. I thought that was really cool. And I love the fact that it has a bat on there. So let's go with the bat theme. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut those down. There's no need to do anything else but cut them down, and we're going to heat press them. My heat press is at 315 and it's 30 seconds. Make sure you have a ruler and make sure you get it as straight as you can. Go ahead and use a ruler or something to measure. Anything that helps you out, get this bag as straight as you can. You don't want your decal being crooked. Once you have it ready, we're going to heat press it for 30 seconds, and it says firm press. So I'll leave the heat guide down below so you can go ahead and add it to your phone. It helps out a lot, let me tell you. These bags are 100% cotton, so this is what it said. And I think it is a cute saying. He's going to love it, especially when they go trick-or-treating, and they're going to love it. Now, I'm not going to add their names on there just because I don't want anybody calling my son from their name, especially if they don't know him. So I thought a cute saying would be even better and safer. Now, I'm going to heat press the back of it for another 15. That's all it says. And then I can add the rest of my decals. Now, I really love using this heat press. I've been making so many little projects with it that I love it. So I thought, why not make their Halloween bags? I thought that was so cool. And plus, I get to customize it any way I want. And I could add whatever I want to their bags as well as whatever they want. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add the little ones. And this is how it came out. Isn't that adorable? I added each bat on the side, and I added the spider on the top. I wish I would have made the spider like 3 times bigger, but I already had them cut out and everything, and I didn't want to go through the whole hassle of making it again. Now let's flip this around, and I'm actually going to go ahead and add something else in the back. I didn't want to leave it plain, especially since I have a Cricut, I could just go ahead and make another decal. So this is what I came up with. Little poison bottles. And then the little hocus pocus from the witch's brew. I thought that was so cute. I'm also going to go ahead and add Happy Halloween on there. If you can't figure it out, go ahead and just measure your corners and your sides until you get it as straight as you can. I'm going to add another spider and a couple more bats on this side as well. I always measure through the handles. I kind of like go through the handles and then bring it all the way down before I go ahead and heat press it. Now this one we're going to heat press the same thing at 315 for 30 seconds. So just try to measure when you're measuring these kind of bags, especially if you're going to give it to someone, as straight as you can. Use a ruler. Use the measuring tape. Use anything that you can that will help you and guide you through the process. Don't worry about it. As long as you get it, as straight as you can, basically, before you give it to that person. And I'm sure whatever you come up with, they're going to love it. So once that's ready, look at how cute that looks. We're going to go ahead and flip it around as well and do another 15. So the process is the same. The only thing that changes is your time and your temperature, depending on what material you're using and what vinyl you're using as well. So depending on all that, everything changes. And don't worry, the heat guide will let you know what and how. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the spider and the bats. And look at how I added them. Isn't that cool? I added the spider on the side and I added the bats on top and bottom. So it came out pretty cute. I cannot wait till they use them to go trick-or-treating. They're definitely going to fill these bags up and they're going to be heavy. But don't worry, I made my own. And I'll link that video down below as well. So you can see how I customize my own bag for that day, which I am so happy. But look at how cute this looks. Isn't this adorable? I love the way that you can add whatever you want to it, especially customize it, make it your own, or just go ahead and buy a big decal. It's optional. And until next time, bye you guys.